G'day, I want to talk to you now about the map window and the map layers window. Now the map window is where you can do a whole bunch of stuff interactively. Okay, you can use all these tools up here to pan and zoom and so forth. You can use database or mouse-based queries to select, in this case, cadastral parcels. You can use them to look at the database that lies behind the map and so forth. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do in this window interactively with the mouse, and we're going to look into some of those things a little bit further on. The engine room, however, for this is the map layers window. Okay, if for some reason this is not displaying, go to the view menu, go to the panels menu, and you make sure this is clicked, right? So anyway, in this map layers window, there's just so much stuff you can do. The most logical thing that you can do is to click layers on and off. So this X here allows me to click that map on, the cadastral map on, or off, sorry, and now back on. Something really, really tricky we can do is we can click the left mouse button, hold it down, and we can move the cadastral map to the bottom. Okay? We can have it back up the top if we want to. Now, there's some sub-menus for the cadastral menu, or for vector layers and for raster layers, that relate specifically to the types of map layers they are. And if we click the right mouse button, we get this, this sub-menu, and within it, there's a properties sub-menu. Okay, and that's what we're going to explore in the next video. But for now, what I'd really like you to do is I'd like you to have a bit of a play with moving these maps up and down, showing the different layers coming on top of each other. Okay, we can move it so the air photos show on top or underneath and so forth. We can click air photos off. Have a bit of a play with this stuff. This is what this tutorial is all about, giving you the tools to play, and it's when you play that you start to learn. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.